Trend colors for this fall and winter are bold, yet surprisingly wearable. From cool cobalt blue and warm orange to subtle mocha brown and vibrant red, there's something for everyone. In this video, I'll take you through each of the standout shades and show you how to style them. Whether you prefer subtle color pairings or unexpected combinations, this video is for you. Let's get started. First up on our list is Cobalt Blue, one of the standout colors of the season. It's that perfect vibrant tone to make any outfit pop. Cobalt is a bold color that works nicely in statement pieces, such as blazers or coats, but it can also add a touch of color to more casual looks through pieces like sweaters, blouses, or even accessories. For styling, Cobalt Blue looks great with classic neutrals like white, gray, or black. And to create a bit of warmth and contrast, try warm-toned neutrals instead. If you're feeling bold, Cobalt pairs surprisingly well with other brighter shades like icy pink or yellow for a more eye-catching look. If you like the idea of wearing blue, but Cobalt feels too bold, there are great alternatives. Choose a cloudy blue for a softer look or opt for a classic navy. Both will look great now and for years ahead. Next, let's talk about purple, which is making a big comeback this season in luxurious shades, from vibrant royal purple to deep plum. There's a richness to purple that feels perfect for fall and winter. It looks amazing in cozy pieces like sweaters and coats, but it can also feel really elegant in blouses or dresses. When it comes to styling, purple is surprisingly versatile. It works beautifully with both cool and warm-tone neutrals. Think gray, taupe, or tan. If you're looking for something more colorful, try pairing it with orange, yellow, or even green for a contrasting look. And if you want to stay in the cool color family, pairing purple with pink creates a beautiful combo. Now, let's move from the cool tones into the warmer side of the palette. Orange is another big color this season. It's such a great way to add a warm pop of color to your fall and winter outfits. Orange works especially well in cozy knitwear and statement pieces that brighten up a neutral outfit. When it comes to color pairings, orange looks amazing with classic neutrals like beige, brown, and navy. They balance out its brightness perfectly. If you prefer a more colorful look, try pairing orange with deep hues like forest green or burgundy. And for a warm tone palette, muted shades of orange and yellow together create a harmonious look. We're only getting started, but I would like to know, do you usually lean more toward cool or warm colors? I'd love to know in the comments. Let's move on to our next trend color, warm green. Here you can go as bold or subtle as you like and choose your favorite green hue from earthy olive tones to vibrant chartreuse. Green works beautifully in casual pieces like sweaters or even outerwear, adding just the right amount of color to your look without feeling overpowering. For styling, warm greens look amazing with warm neutrals like cream, taupe, and all shades of brown. They also pair effortlessly with deeper tones like navy or black for a more polished, classic look. If you're in the mood for a more colorful look, try pairing green alongside purple, raspberry pink, or warm yellow. Each combination offers its own unique vibe. Purple adds depth and sophistication, raspberry brings a contrasting pop, and warm yellow creates a cozy, harmonious feel with green. And if warm and vibrant greens aren't really your thing, there are some great alternatives. Moss green is a great casual option, while deep forest green is a timeless classic that always looks elegant in the cooler seasons. Mocha Brown is the standout neutral of the season. It's incredibly versatile and flattering on almost everyone. This color is the perfect choice for tailored pieces like coats and blazers, but it's just as chic in knitwear or accessories. Mocha pairs effortlessly with other warm-toned neutrals, and it looks amazing with navy or any shade of denim. It works well with subtle colors like pistachio or a gentle blush pink, but it can even handle bolder shades like yellow. If you'd like more styling tips on how to wear brown, be sure to check out my dedicated video linked below after this one. Our next color, vibrant red, has been trending for a while, and it's still going strong this season. It's perfect for elegant statement pieces like coats and dresses, but it also works beautifully in more casual looks. You can't go wrong with a red sweater and jeans, or red accessories that bring a pop of color to an otherwise neutral outfit. When it comes to styling, red always shines with classic colors like black, white, gray, and beige. And of course, it's a timeless favorite during the Christmas season, especially when paired with green, for a look that's festive yet effortlessly chic. While vibrant red is surprisingly flattering on many people, there are softer alternatives if you prefer something a bit more understated. This season, berry tones like cranberry and deeper shades such as burgundy are just as stylish. Another color that continues to trend this season is Ballet Pink. It's a soft, elegant hue that's surprisingly versatile. Ballet Pink is perfect for everything from tailored pieces like coats and blazers to cozy sweaters and even accessories. While it might not be the most obvious choice for the cooler months, it absolutely works when styled the right way. Pair it with deep neutrals like black or navy for a refined contrast, or with shades of gray and rich chocolate brown for a softer, more balanced look. And if you're drawn to color, Ballet Pink also pairs beautifully with greens, teals, and blues, creating fresh, modern combinations that feel both feminine and sophisticated. That was a lot of information, so let's recap. On the cool side, we've got Cobalt Blue leading the way, along with rich purples that add a touch of luxury. For warm tones, shades of orange and warm greens are taking center stage. Among the neutrals, Mocha Brown stands out as the new favorite shade. And finally, colors that are still trending, vibrant red and soft ballet pink. And there you have it, some of the season's trending hues. I'd love to know, which of these colors are you most excited to wear this fall and winter? Let me know in the comments below. And if you have any color or styling questions, feel free to ask. I'm always happy to help. If you'd like personalized guidance on which of these colors works best for your unique features, check out the link below on how to get your very own personalized color style guide. And for even more inspiration, don't miss my video on how to wear burgundy, another trendy color this season. Thanks for watching. I hope this gave you a few new ideas to try. Don't forget to share your favorite trend color in the comments. See you in the next video.